Hello, welcome back to another technical analysis with me, Steven. It's pretty cold out there temperature-wise, so we're hoping everybody's staying warm and heating up with some of these stock tips that we've been giving out. This week we're looking at GSRX, a big play in Puerto Rico. They have a couple medical dispensaries, big in the CBD distribution game as well, so all on the medical side. Pretty interesting and getting into California and growing. So take a read at their fundamentals and let's review some basic concepts today for the technical analysis. So let's jump over to the pricing chart. You'll see we're looking at GSRX on the OTC, again using our Hakanashi. We're going to do some basics today, and we're going to talk about support and resistance. Support and resistance are fundamental pieces of technical analysis. Almost all technical analysis traders know about them and use them. And so let's talk about resistance first. These are levels of resistance that pricing charts don't want to cross. And so as pricing decreases, people are more likely to want to purchase a stock. If it's cheaper, people are going to want to buy it, right? In the hopes that the price goes up and they make money. So let's just watch this horizontal line here. We're at about $1.23, $23, $24. I'm just going to leave it there and just move horizontally. You can see right here, early November, pricing comes pretty close to that line and then bounces off that line. It does it again in January 28th, and it looks like it may be getting close to doing it again on March 1st. So pricing doesn't want to cross this line. So this is the line where price comes up to it, more demand for the stock comes, and people start buying it, boom, price bounces up. That's called a line of resistance. And so the opposite of that is a line of support. We don't have an example of that here, but you can imagine a line where the pricing chart on the upper end meets it and then bounces back down would be a line of support. And we're looking at the daily chart now, so let's just look over now back to the 4-hour chart. And let's draw the resistance line here and look at the price. 122, 123. It's the same. The level of resistance is the same on the daily chart and now the 4-hour chart. And look at how it's bounced off it a couple times. So one analysis would be as the pricing chart comes up to the resistance line, you would want to make a purchase, right? Because then bounce, boom, you can capture that big upward gain. Let's look at the hour chart as well and see what we can see. A little more noise here, but look again when I set this line of resistance, $1.24. It's the same price on all of these different time points. So pretty interesting for GSRX, the level of resistance right around $1.23, $1.24. And next time you see the pricing chart come to this line of resistance, the hypothesis is that it's going to bounce off and go up. So that may be just a really easy, basic entry for a lot of people for this trade. So GSRX, levels of resistance, thank you very much. Incorporate it into your thinking, and let's look at GSRX in the next weeks to come.